Are you tired of the endless hassle that comes with building a knowledge base or training program for your team? Imagine a platform that centralizes all your resources and tracks employee progress seamlessly. Introducing Trainwel, your frustration-free training and knowledge base platform. With Trainwel, setting up your knowledge base is as easy as dragging and dropping videos, documents, PDFs, and more. Assign courses by positions and let the AI-powered search handle the rest, ensuring that your team always finds what they need when they need it. Deploy both public and private knowledge bases with ease and keep your resources organized and accessible. Effortlessly manage onboarding and training with Trainwel's intuitive interface. Create engaging training modules in minutes and monitor progress with real-time tracking tools. Whether you're a small team or a large enterprise, Trainwel scales with your business, ensuring seamless growth. Empower your team to share and grow knowledge collectively. Assign roles and permissions, collaborate on documents, and track updates with ease. Say goodbye to chaotic knowledge management. Organize documents, videos, and files in one place and find what you need instantly with Smart Search. Simplify knowledge organization and ensure everyone stays aligned with Trainwel's dynamic hierarchy tools. Trainwel simplifies onboarding, knowledge sharing, and collaboration for teams of all sizes. Ready to transform how your team learns and works? Start using Trainwel today. Visit our website to get started and see how Trainwel can revolutionize your team's training and knowledge management. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us on social media for more updates.